Hey guys, just a short video today to make sure that you can find where the videos for this class are going to be located. If you don't know me, if we haven't met yet, I will be your math teacher this year. My name is Mrs. Cole. There's two things you're going to need to fill out today. So if you go into your Google Classroom, you're going to find that there are two Google Forms that you're going to need to fill out. The first one is a student information form. It's just going to ask you some basic questions about yourself, about how you feel about math, how you feel about online learning. So it'll be one Google form that you need to read and fill out. The second one you're going to find here is an integrity pledge. So this just goes into academic honesty and integrity, what the expectations are when you are learning in the classroom and remotely. So you want to read over that pledge, make sure that we're all on the same page, and then you'll just sign at the bottom to make sure that you have read it. So that's all that we're doing right now, just making sure that everyone can find everything. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and it's going to be a fun year. See you guys soon.